Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering discovering your passion, pursuing meaningful work. So let's jump in. In the dynamic landscape of our careers, uncovering your true passion is like embarking on a thrilling treasure hunt. You're an explorer of the professional realm, searching for that hidden chest of purpose and fulfillment. Our careers are vast territories with untold opportunities and challenges, and your quest, it's about deciphering the map to your passion, unlocking the secrets to meaningful work. But we're not diving into a lecture on soul searching here. So before you roll your eyes and start thinking, oh, great, another self help talk, let's take a pause. This isn't about wishful thinking or vague advice. We're delving into 5 actionable strategies and a dash of insights that will help you uncover your passion and pave the way to a fulfilling career. So grab your metaphorical map and let's navigate this exciting terrain together. Let's summarize. We are searching, exploring, and discovering our passion to pursue meaningful work and fulfillment. The 3 key points to doing so are: 1. Ignite your flame. Embrace the present and uncover the gems of your passion. 2. Craft your passion puzzle. Merge your skills and interests to reveal your true calling. Integrate your passions into your daily routine, creating a life filled with purpose. And 3. Nurture your dreams and experiment. Cultivate self compassion, tend to your inner garden of aspirations, and experiment fearlessly. Your career journey is your canvas. These were some steps and insights on discovering your passion, pursuing meaningful work. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering developing effective presentation skills, engaging and influencing your audience. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.